Welcome. I'm Laurence Fishburne. Agricultural experts around the world are faced with the challenge of providing a safe and affordable food supply to our ever-growing population. This demand has sparked exciting innovations in agriculture. Join me today as we explore this topic.
We are heading toward a global food crisis. Agribusiness is one of the largest industries in the world, and it leaves a bigger carbon footprint than the entire airline industry. According to recent statistics, the main global contributor to food wastage is fruits and vegetables, with over 45% of all fresh produce being lost or wasted within the food supply chain each year. This equates to roughly 1.3 billion tons of food that doesn't reach an end consumer.
There's over $700 billion worth of food wasted every year. The loss extends beyond produce itself and includes labor, time, money, land, energy, and water. For example, nearly 30% of the world's water is being used to irrigate farms for food that often never arrives to its destination.
Experts say when factoring in population growth, consumption, waste levels, and the amount of resources available, we'll likely have to double our food production by 2050 to feed the world. This is why it's so important to maximize efficiency in the supply chain and educate people on breakthrough technologies that can soon be available to consumers.
What if, instead of producing more food, we can deliver more of what's already been produced? In order to feed this increase in population, we have to increase our production by approximately 70%, which brings up a lot of questions like, how do we arrange that? Are we limited in resources to achieve this goal? And how do we do this without crippling our planet? To put this into perspective, in 2020, the world is home to over 7 billion people. Within that 7 billion, there is an estimated 925 million people who are currently starving. What is needed in this industry is a practical and cost-effective solution. We know that if we can control the environment surrounding the produce down to a micro level, we can maximize fresh produce shipments.
In an effort to meet this challenge, real-time ripening sensors are used to help monitor the health of fresh produce across the entire supply chain. This technology is designed to allow users to collect atmospheric data and provide highly accurate predictions of ripening timelines without needing to handle the product.
We've developed a technology for accurately detecting ethylene gas, which is a natural gas that is emitted from ripening produce and also stimulates the ripening process. The current industry gold standard for ethylene monitoring involves taking an air sample to a laboratory on a weekly basis. This is costly and laborious, and it is too slow to be useful as produce can spoil within a matter of hours. Post-harvest technology works by collecting ethylene from the air, concentrating it, and then sensing it at these much more concentrated levels. This is achieved in a compact device that is at a fraction of the cost of existing laboratory measurement systems. By continuously sending measurement data to the cloud, it can be processed using proprietary algorithms, and immediate alerts can be received by operators so they know precisely when it's time to send their fresh produce to global destinations. This technology is suitable for use in all fruit and vegetable storage rooms and has the potential to reduce global food waste and significantly improve the efficiency of the global food supply chain.
Implementing this microclimate sensor within fresh produce supply chains may help reduce current post-harvest loss numbers from 45% down to 5%. And with the industry feeling consumer pressure to provide transparency and traceability around a product's journey, this technology has the ability to create better accountability across the board.
Consumers want to know their food has been handled properly, from the moment it is grown to the time it arrives on their supermarket shelves. With our technology, we can ensure fresh produce is handled and delivered in its highest quality, from the farm all the way to their fork.
Of recent global events, we believe customers are going to want evidence that their food is being health checked, that it is virus-free, and that the companies that they are buying from are part of the solution, not contributing to the global food problem.
Food wastage is an issue affecting the entire world, and innovative technology may help maximize efficiency in the supply chain by ensuring more fresh produce reaches its final destination and effectively reducing waste.
We hope this program has served as an inspiration to you. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to profile the people and ideas changing the way we live. I'm Laurence Fishburne.